Hi, learning objective 2 in chapter 7 kind of deals with a couple of simple issues. The first one is about, where to shop for loans. Well, again, you're shopping because loans have a price, they have terms, they have other things. So you might as well shop around to see who will give you the best price. In other words, who'll give you the lowest interest rate, um, who will give you the best options and how to pay that back, what the total cost of it would be, etc. And so shopping around means you're dealing with more than one, say, financial institution to see who can give you the best terms on those loans. One of the most important things to do is keep track of everything. So I'm actually having you practice a worksheet that is in your book here. This is a worksheet for Rose and Dylan Rogers. It's called an inventory of consumer debt. And basically, what it has is a list of all of their loans from various places. What their monthly payment is listed in that uh, column, right column. And then the far right column is the balance on the loan. And this is important because that current monthly payment for those loans, with the exception of a mortgage, as you see, is not on here. This is the number that's used in the debt safety ratio. So here they have an auto loan, student loans, some personal loans, etc., adding up to $964 and change. You use that over the monthly income, and here they have an 18.5% debt safety ratio. So you need to know how to calculate that. And this is a good worksheet to look through and study because you're going to be asked to do one.